Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Now Brief on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and open up our Now Brief. So you can open up the Now Brief from the lock screen or the Now bar, and then we can basically get the card picker. So here, as you guys can see, we got Now Brief. We can click on it, and here we have the get a personalized briefing that changes throughout the day. So we can start the Now Brief, and as you guys can see, we got some wishing you good vibes this weekend. We can also personalize our Now Brief, and here we get the information. So here we have the news from our country. Here we also get the weather, so partly cloudy, highs 32 to 34 degrees Celsius and lows 16 to 18 degrees Celsius. Also, you can add the Now Brief widget, you can view your Now Brief without unlocking, and also you can know when and where to go. So you can go over, click on OK. Here get recommended YouTube videos in your Now Brief. You can set it up, and we're gonna do that. So first, let's start off with the first thing. So the first thing here is our personalization. So we're gonna click get started, and as you guys can see, choose a subject for your card. So weather, health, or videos. So for me, I'm pretty much the video guy here because it's finance, game, tech, and travel. So here we can go to settings. Here we can enable YouTube, and we need to choose an account. So I'm gonna choose my YouTube account. Here we also have some traffic updates, moments, for example. As you guys can see, moments will access your pictures, videos, calendar events, and location data from pictures and videos. So this is our Now Brief. Here we also have some custom cards, but we're going to add them later. Here we also have the Nano Banana image creation. You can enable it. So you can use Gemini to basically create a new image using the Nano Banana, which is almost one of the best options here. So here you have videos. Now choose what to show in your videos card. We're gonna go with tech, car, and for example game. Also we can add travel. You cannot add more than 3 items. So we're gonna give up on game and add travel. We're gonna click next and create custom card video information. So here we have the tech, card, travel, which we selected, and where we wanna when we wanna see this card. So when we wanna make it shown, we're gonna do the Mondays at 8. And here we can generate it. As you guys can see, sometimes as you guys can see, AI generated cards may produce unexpected results. So sometimes it may be something weird. And as you guys can see here, we can click done, and now you will see this card will appear in your Now Brief every week on Monday at 8. So here we have the shorts, YouTube Shorts, from what I'm seeing. Also, the Now Brief widget, we can click on add, and we can click add. Now the Now Brief has been added, and also we can easily go over and view our Now Brief without unlocking. So we can go to settings. Here we can expand Now Brief without unlocking, and here you also have something like get richer insights. So this will basically share our personal data to get more personalized content in our Now Brief. So we can do the Gemini, we can do the YouTube, and now we can just leave it completely. As you guys can see, we pretty much got it. Here we have to check out these YouTube videos. Here is our channel, Info, HardReset.Info, as you guys can see, and now it is pretty good. So here we have our Now Brief. We can go over and click here. Here we have those settings that we've been here. Here we can allow access to the health data, and we can give it permissions to everything like steps, water, sleep, profile, food. And if you're actually using the Samsung Health, you will see it, and this will pretty much be like your assistant. It will remind you of everything. Here we have the custom cards. We can create more of them. Let's create the weather one, and we're gonna go with the current weather 7-day forecast. And for example, we're also gonna do the let it be the pressure. Now we're gonna click next, and every day at every day at 7. we're gonna click generate, and it should work pretty much like we've just described it. Of course, there may be some errors. Again, it's an AI card. And now we're gonna click done. Here we have it, and this is our weather update card that we created. So here we got the pressure, the currently plummeting. We also get the weather and the 7-day forecast, and that's how it works. So you got your entire now brief. We can also click on it, and this is pretty much helpful. You can easily configure it. You can reorder those cards too, and that's basically a finished briefing. So here we have the cover screen. Now I'm gonna switch it up to the normal screen, of course. Let me just quickly get it off, and that's how it works on the normal screen. So let's just open it up again, and as you guys can see, this looks like this. It's much longer. That's why I recommend using it with the screen like this. It's much better. And as you guys can see, that's it. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.